to make a balloon animal with Ninja Gorilla. Oh, hi, Ninja. What are we making today? Whoa, it's got a long neck. Oh, it's a giraffe. Okay, so here's what you'll need. Take one long balloon and fill it up until there's a little tail, about as wide as your hand at the end. So, let's get started. Twist off a bubble about as wide as 3 fingers, and then 2 more bubbles only 2 fingers wide. Twist the first join with the last join to make the head. Then take the long body and wrap it between the 2 little bubbles twice to create the ears. Now, measure off the width of a hand and a thumb and twist off a bubble for the neck. Use a 6-finger bubble for the first leg. Then fold it over and make another leg exactly the same size. Measure off a 4-finger bubble for the tummy. And then make 2 more 6-finger bubbles for the back legs. To stop that twist coming undone, simply roll the tail between the legs. Now it's time to add some spots. Don't forget the mouth and eyes. And there's the giraffe. Oh, thanks, Ninja. See you next time.
Can't get enough Zumu? Like, share, and subscribe to our Zumu channel. See you soon.